So, I recently came across these moth holes on my beautiful cashmere wool blazer, and I want to share with you my way of fixing these with a few cheap products that don't require any professional skills. Let's get started. First, I must access the holes from inside out, so I flip my blazer over, and since I need entry to the right sleeve, I had to undo the lining with a seam ripper. Now once that's done, I locate the moth holes and find a fabric to fill those holes. You can source a fabric at your local fabric store, but since I want a perfect match and don't need much, I went with a few loose threads found inside the jacket. I highly suggest you try searching for loose threads of a jacket just because it just matches much better once you fuse everything together. Now take your loose threads and chop it up as much as you can. Keep chopping it up till the texture of the fabric looks like a cotton ball. Next, sprinkle a little bit of that fusing powder and roll it into a ball. Now set your iron to the highest heat setting on cotton. Now I'm just taking my jacket and just laying down the sleeves flat on my ironing board. From here, I take my ball of fabric and just set it on top of the moth hole and sprinkle a little bit more of that fusing powder on top. Next, I set a small iron-on patch on top, place my heat press paper, and just gently press for a few seconds. Now I flipped the jacket over and it was a bit difficult to spot the moth hole here, but you also want to press this side as well for only a few seconds to really set the fabric. And here is the final result. Not too bad, right? Typically many people would just retire the garment and donate it, but with these cheap little helpful tools I managed to save my investment. And remember to always use a garment bag to protect your expensive wools. Yeah, that wraps up this little how-to video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe as well for more how-to content. Thank you so much for watching.